Wait a minute, he didn't tell me what I was supposed to.
Behind the scenes.
Then, boy, we've got the product for you. The Frazzles trademark cough drops.
Action.
Then, boy, we've got the product for you. The Frazzles cough drops. Hold on. Pause it.
Okay. Action.
Warning. The Frazzles cough drops may cause massive or explosive diarrhea, short-term memory loss, amnesia, loss of toes, athlete's foot, paralysis, heartworm, gas, slight death, dyslexia, and a major cough. All right, so lay down on your back, on your face right here. Now, hold on.
Back that way. Back that way.
Okay. Now. All right, go for it. When you're ready, do your bummer.
Bummer. I thought that guy had a bright future.
Try another bummer.
Bummer. I thought that guy had a bright future.
Go.
Bummer. That guy had a bright future.
All right, back in. Okay, go ahead.
Bummer. That guy had a bright future.
Do it.
Hey, bro.
Go for it.
Hey, man. What's going on?
All right.
Dude, that is so not cool.
Come over here, Vase.
I'm not your bro anymore.
Go for it. Yeah, exactly. Say that.
Dude. Dude, in the side.
It's all right. Start over. Start now.
Dude, that is so not cool. I'm not your bro anymore.
Go.
Hey, boss.
Ready, go.
Hey, boss.
Okay. Go.
Hey, boss.
All right, so what do you think of those cough drops?
Oh, they're amazing. They're just fantastic. But now give me my $50.
So, what do you think of these cough drops?
They're amazing. Fantastic. Now give me my $50.
Action.
It is. What does it say?
You're great.
Great. What do you think about those Frazzlers cough drops?
Oh boy. Well, I can find a better one in the dumpster. Oh, they taste like dog crap. My mouth tastes like it too. Goodness. And the size of these things.
I said it. Want to do it one more time? Is it still rolling? Pause it.
Hey, boss.
Right on time, Junior.
Here's every single file, paper, and worksheet you needed.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good job.
Excuse me.
What the heck is that? You're fired. Get out of here.
Then, boy, we've got the product for you. The Frazzles trademark cough drops.
Behind the scenes.